electronics is shortened to avionics. We go over the basics of what consists of an avionics class, the systems that are on an airplane, how do all the systems interact with each other, and on a very high level, what the components are of these systems and their interactions with each other to make a complete system.
I would like to become an aircraft maintenance technician, and this is one of the steps that I think would be helpful to get me there. I've been in the aviation industry for some time, but as an aircraft dispatcher, though my passion was exactly in avionics, and so that's why I long to have this program.
We try to give the very foundational knowledge of what's happening electronically or electrically on a foundational level.
It's mostly a hands-on program where we have the theoretical part in class, and whatever we discuss in class, we have to come down to the labs and then practice on that. So it's very useful and very helpful, and also it's very interesting to do something that you just imagine how it works. I really learn more when I have hands-on.
If you listen to an audiobook on how to become an engineer, it's not going to make you an engineer. It's going to be doing those things. The job that this certificate opens up, or anything in electrical, anything in systems, everything has circuit boards, that's electronic. So if you have a base foundation knowledge, which is what the certificate teaches you, you can essentially work almost anywhere, because it doesn't teach you only about the systems, it also teaches you about the tools to use to troubleshoot the systems.
And this area has a lot of stuff geared towards the field of avionics. There's suppliers for all sorts of electronics that go on the airplanes, or specialized components that go in the airplanes, all sorts of stuff.
Avionics technicians are really on a high demand, and the numbers are really growing because aviation is very wide, not just here in the United States, but everywhere in the world.
The industry itself is in need. This is a very needed area where hands-on work is a dying art now. Just based on the shortage that I foresee coming in the aviation industry, we're going to need people who know how to fix these things.
Yes, I would recommend this program. You go to class, you read the theory part, and then you come to the labs and practice. You have hands-on of what you have been studying. That helps you to learn more and to align you better with your intended goals.